Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about weathering of rocks. Weathering is defined as the process of breaking down or dissolving of rocks and minerals on the surface of earth. Water, ice, acids, salts, plants, animals, and changes in temperature are all agents of weathering. Once a rock has been broken down, a process called erosion transports the bits of rock and mineral away. Weathering is often divided into the processes of mechanical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. Mechanical weathering, also called physical weathering, and disaggregation causes rocks to crumble. Water in either liquid or solid form is often a key agent of mechanical weathering. For instance, liquid water can seep into cracks in rock. If temperatures drop low enough, the water will freeze. When water freezes, it expands. The ice then works as a wedge. It slowly widens the cracks and splits the rock. When ice melts, liquid water performs the act of erosion by carrying away the tiny rock fragments lost in the split. This specific process is called frost weathering. Temperature changes can also contribute to mechanical weathering is a process called thermal stress. Changes in temperature cause rock to expand with heat and contract with cold. As this happens over and over again, the structure of the rock weakens. Over time, it crumbles. Chemical weathering changes the molecular structure of rocks and soil. For example, carbon dioxide from the air or soil sometimes combines with water in a process called carbonation. This produces a weak acid called carbonic acid that can dissolve rock. Carbonic acid is especially effective at dissolving limestone. When carbonic acid seeps through limestone underground, it can open up huge cracks or hollow out vast networks of caves. Another type of chemical weathering works on rocks that contain iron. These rocks turn to rust in a process called oxidation. Rust is a compound created by the interaction of oxygen and iron in the presence of water. As rust expands, it weakens rock and helps break it apart. Biological weathering, in which living or once living organisms contribute to weathering. The decaying remains of plants and some fungi form carbonic acid, which can weaken and dissolve rock. Some bacteria can weather rock in order to access nutrients such as magnesium or potassium. Weathering and people. Weathering is a natural process, but human activities can speed it up. For example, certain kinds of air pollution increase the rate of weathering. Burning coal, natural gas, and petroleum releases chemicals such as nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. When these chemicals combine with sunlight and moisture, they change into acids. They then fall back on earth as acid rain. Acid rain rapidly weathers limestone, marble, and other kinds of stone. Acid rain has also damaged many historic buildings and monuments. For example, Taj Mahal. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.